I'm Dr. Greg Larrabee, and I'm the owner of Integrated Medical Center in Jupiter, Florida. I've been using Winback Therapy for about 4 years now, and it has become a vital piece of my equipment treating my pro athletes. What I love about the technology is versatility. We're able to hit different layers of tissue and be very specific in terms of what we're trying to do. One of the benefits of Winback Therapy is there are 3 frequencies. To treat superficial tissue, fascia, and muscle, we start with a capacitive handle, and then we can move into deeper tissue to affect joint and tendon and ligaments using the resistive handle. I'm a big fan of the bracelets. I do all my soft tissue work, my active release technique work with the bracelets on. That way I'm able to break down scar tissue faster and more effectively. I also use the bracelets to help with my dry needling, so we're able to help modulate pain quicker. Using the adhesive pads, I'm able to do a lot of active therapy. I can get the patient off the table so we can do our rehab, creating resistance with movement, and the added frequency from the Winback device, we're able to open up areas of restriction to help break down scar tissue and increase blood flow to that tissue. I highly recommend the Winback device for any doctor out there treating soft tissue injuries.